You get shot! Whoa!
May 31st, Oak Park, Illinois. A standard traffic stop at a gas station escalated into a fatal confrontation after an officer discovered a concealed gun on Christian Wallace.
What's up, bro? What's up, boss man?
What's going on?
You got your license and insurance on you?
Yeah, I got all that.
All right, man. You switched lanes without signaling, and then when you came in here, hold on. And then when you came in here, you signaled. You got a signal outside of 100 feet.
I got a signal outside of 100 feet.
Yeah, brother. Yeah. Outside of 100 feet. Initially, when you switched lanes to the right lane, you didn't signal to switch lanes. And then when you came in here, you signaled, but not outside of 100 feet.
I'm saying, I just feel like, what you doing? I'm saying.
What do you mean? I'm doing my job, bro.
I'm saying, I don't have nothing to, I didn't do anything wrong. You acting like I switched lanes. I put my signal
Hey,
on.
brother, this is my job, man. All right? It's just
But
a
I'm
traffic
saying,
stop.
what's
Hey,
your job?
that's me. To pull traffic stops on violations. You got a license and insurance on you?
I need to take a piss, man. Y'all sitting up here. You trying to get some gas? Y'all in the way, bro.
We're looking for insurance.
No, I ain't looking for nothing. I know.
You need your insurance.
Boss man, I'm trying to tell you, I ain't on no bullshit. I'm cool.
I don't know you, brother. You know what I'm saying? I don't know you.
You getting to know me. I'm giving you my
What's in the
insurance.
cup? Let me ask you that. I smell booze. Is it just a little bit of booze?
Small stuff.
What is it?
Small stuff.
All right, no big deal. What is it? Wine?
Little stuff. I just came from my homie crib.
All right.
My homie just came in town.
All right, man. Listen to me, all right?
Bullshit.
I'm not too worried about a little bit drinking that cup, all right, man? I'm not worried about that, all right?
What you worried about?
I'm not worried about nothing. While I run you, though, step outside here for me. David, one more car, no music.
Can I use the bathroom?
What's that?
I said, can I use the
When
bathroom?
you're done, bro, you
I
will.
gotta use the bathroom. So can I use the bathroom? I just gave you my stuff.
Yeah, I got you.
The bathroom.
You can't use the bathroom right now.
Why I can't?
Because you're on a traffic stop.
Why I'm on the traffic stop?
No,
though?
hey, no weapons on you?
No.
What's this?
That's my dick.
Nah, man, it's not.
It is my.
It's not.
That's my dick, boy. What are you doing?
Hey,
What are you
listen to
doing?
it.
Come on, man.
Listen
Don't
to
do
it.
that. Don't do that.
David, step it up.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Hey, do not reach. Do not reach.
Well, we got this thing seem to help us off traffic control.
Hey, take it easy, take it easy. not reach. Step it up. Do not reach, you get shot. Do not reach. Do not reach. Bro. Do not reach. Bro, do not reach. Do not reach. Bro, do not reach for that gun. Do not reach for that. Do not reach for that. Or you're gonna get shot. You hear me? You hear me? It's not working. Bro, what are you doing? It's not working. Bro. It's not working. You're gonna get shot. Don't shoot him, bro. Do not reach. David, step it off. You got a gun. You got shot. Go.
Step back, step back.
Cover this gun. Cover this gun.
Roger, 160.
Buddy, my body camera fell. Buddy.
Okay,
George is equal for clear.
okay. I'm gonna go secure this.
Come on, buddy. Hey, come on.
What do you need?
I need some medical aid.
Okay. Eddie, I'm here.
After this guy, call for two ambulances. Make sure, call for 2 ambulances. You got it? Yeah, I got it.
Step it up.
You want to keep that in there?
You good, bro?
I'm good. Start taping shit off. Shut down Austin. Someone shut down Austin. Let me know when you're beginning to break, Dan. Okay. Give me 10 seconds. Yeah.
Yes, you do.
Okay, ready? Ready. Switch.
You got the same thing to help us out traffic control.
Let me know when you're good. I'm good. I take it easy, take it easy. You good? I'm good. You want to switch? I'm good. Start taping shit off.
Where is the shot?
The head? Yes. Okay. You good? I'm good.
Who else was shot? Anyone?
No, but our guy needs to go. I'm not saying us. Our guy needs to go.
Was he shot?
No, I don't think so. He's right there. He's blue. He's right there. Just next to ambulance. Okay. Yeah, our guy needs to go on the next one. Hey, where's the other guy? Over by the white shirt. There's not next to the white shirt. You got him, Mateo? All right. Yo, you need help? You good, Shane? Still good. Yeah. You sure? Yep.
Hey, watch this one. Zach. I think so. I think that's. Get him on the monitor. You want him right here? Yeah. Alright, man, we're gonna move his shirt up. You just keep on going, okay? Stop for 1 second.
Eddie, we're gonna need more time.
Hold up for 1 second.
Once they have an officer available.
Looks like it might be PEA. Check for it. He's got no pulse. You got anything?
I might have something.
Yeah, let's go.
You going?
Following the incident, officers on scene administered CPR for over 3 minutes before paramedics transported Wallace to Loyola University Medical Center, where he was pronounced dead at 9:59 p.m. The officer involved was also treated for injuries sustained during the struggle and was released the next day. What are your thoughts on how this traffic stop unfolded and the officer's reaction during the struggle? Let us know in the comments below. For more intense body cam clips and police encounters, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next case.